Hey there, what's up guys? I'm Matt, and I'm your personal expert on everything both smartphone and photo. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing the 2025 Moto G Stylus 5G. Let's get straight into it. The one that I have here is the Pantone Gibraltar Sea. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. Okay, there's the phone. Let's see what else is in the box real quick. Whole lot of nothing pretty much. Type-C to C cable, meet your stylus, SIM tool. That's pretty much it. Let's move all that stuff over. And here we go. Ooh. That's nice. Really nice. Man, I love this leather material on the back. I also like how it just slopes smoothly into the camera hump. Nice looking phone. Pantone Gibraltar Sea. Nice.